Tired of dealing with unwanted hair? From shaving to laser treatments, we'll show you the best methods for smooth skin. Laser hair removal is a popular method that uses concentrated light to target hair follicles. It's effective for long-term reduction, but can be pricey and requires multiple sessions. Ideal for those with light skin and dark hair. IPL, or intense pulsed light, works similarly to laser but uses a broad spectrum of light. It's more affordable and can be done at home with devices. However, it may not be as effective on darker skin tones. Shaving is quick and budget-friendly, but it does require frequent upkeep. Waxing, on the other hand, removes hair from the root, offering longer-lasting results. However, it can be painful and might cause some irritation. The good news is, both methods are suitable for all skin types. So which method works best for you? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the affiliate links in the description for recommended products.